All right, guys, we got this 1997 Toyota. Psych no, it's a Toyoace. All right, it's an Acti on steroids. It's a beast, okay? I'm about 6 foot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 something. I can fit in this sucker. It's pretty big. Massive bed. Haven't walked in it to figure out, how many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.5 foot bed. Thing is a monster. Now we've had some Actis here previously, and they're fun, but this thing is a whole nother beast. We got it listed for $17,999. 5-speed manual transmission. Got to make a bit of video, but this is what it is for now, guys. Bear with me.